Good morning, everybody. Today's we are going to discuss a different topic, that is classification of local anesthetics. Actually, local anesthetics are drugs that when we are applied directly to the peripheral nervous tissues, block nerve conduction and abolish all the sensations in the part supplied by the nerves. Okay, actually they are generally applied to the somatic nerves and capable of cutting on axon cell bodies, dendrites and synapses. Hmm. Local anesthetics are also used topically for the temporary relief of pain, for insect bites, burns, and other surface wounds. Now come to the point, that is classification of the local anesthetics. Actually, basically, क्या है? Local anesthetics are classified into two type of classification that called is number one is local anesthetics are generally classified into the following groups, and number two is on the basis of their chemical structures. Okay, now come to the generally classification. According to the general classification, the local anesthetics are classified into four categories. Number one is natural agents, number two is synthetic nitrogenous compounds, and number three is synthetic non-nitrogenous agents, and number fourth is miscellaneous drugs with local actions. Now come to the first one is natural agents. For example of drug, that is cocaine. Cocaine is a natural agent. Number two is synthetic nitrogenous compound. The synthetic nitrogenous compounds of local anesthetics are basically classified into having more type of derivatives. Number one is derivatives of benzoic acid. Benzoic acid, for example of hexylcane, meprilcane. These are the drug example of the benzoic acid. Number B is derivative of para amino benzoic acid. Actually, derivative of para amino benzoic acid are classified into two subcategories, that is freely soluble and poorly soluble drugs. Freely soluble drug example is procaine and amethocane, and poorly soluble drugs are benzocaine and orthocaine. These are the example of these type of para-amino-benzoic acid derivatives. Now come to the C point, that is derivative of acetanilydes. Uh, the example of drugs is lignocaine, mepivacaine, bupivacaine, prilocaine and atidocaine. These are the example of drug of derivative of acetanilide drugs. Now come to the next derivative of quinoline, which comes also under the synthetic nitrogenous compounds. And the example of the derivative of quinolines are dimethizoquine and cinchonacane, etc. Number three class is synthetic non-nitrogenous agents. The example of drugs of synthetic non-nitrogenous agents are benzyl alcohol and propanediol, etc. And number fourth is miscellaneous drugs with local actions like clove oil, phenol, chlorpromazine, and certain antihistamines. These are the example of drugs comes under miscellaneous drugs. Now come to the second classification, which is based on chemical structure. Local anesthetic are classified as follows. Number one is benzoic acid derivative. This is the basic structure of the benzoic acid derivative, and the example of drug, that is hexylcane, meprilcane, isobucane, piprocaine and cyclomethicane, etc. These are the drugs which comes under the benzoic acid derivatives. Actually, these are the drugs which comes under the benzoic acid derivative, and the R1 and R2 positions are the substitution position. If hydrogen molecule is substitute on the R1 position and another substituent is added or substituted at the R2 position, it making the hexylcane. different type of derivatives which makes having the substitute at R1 and R2 position which make the derivative of benzoic acid derivative. Now come to the second example, that is para-amino benzoic acid derivative. This is the basic structure of that para-amino benzoic acid derivatives, and the R1, R2 and R3 and R4, R5, these are the basic 5 type of substitution positions here. And whenever we are substitute different type of molecule from into the that basic structure, it will make the different type of derivatives which comes under the base para-amino benzoic acid. For example, benzocaine, butamine, procaine, butacane, binoxinate, propoxycane. Okay, these are the drugs or derivative of para-amino benzoic acid. Now come to the third one is anilide derivative, which is also known as 2,6-xylidines. 2,6-xylidines. This is the basic structure of that anilide derivative, and here R1 and R2 is the two substitution positions. And for example of drugs which are make the different type of derivatives after the substitution reaction of that 2,6-xylidine derivative, that is lidocaine, mepivacaine, prilocaine, bupivacaine and etidocaine. This is the example of drugs which comes under the anilide derivatives. Now last one is miscellaneous drugs. Here the example of the miscellaneous drugs are phenacaine, diprodone HCl, dimethoxycane, dibucaine, pramoxine HCl, diclonine HCl, etc. These are the drugs which basically comes under the miscellaneous class of the local anesthetics. This is the classification of local anesthetic. Hope you understand. Thank you.